यदि आपको पर्यटकों को यह दिखाने के लिए नियुक्त किया गया है कि आप जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ का जीवन वास्तव में कैसा है, तो आप उन्हें क्या दिखाएँगे? ओह! ओके, 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 ओके. Now understand. Alright. The question is, if you were hired to show a tourist what life is really like where you live and what you show them, have them do, means like that कि this question is kind of like a something really that कि अगर आपके पास टूरिस्ट आते हैं, ओके, एंड दे से दैट कि शो मी द बेस्ट प्लेस ऑफ योर सिटी, ओके, तो what will you show them, like what is exactly the best place in my city? All right. So because of the privacy violation I won't be able to say my name or the city where I live, okay. It's yeah, but there are some certain things that I wanted to show them. But let me tell you one thing about the question, okay, and the mindset about that. So usually where we live, whatever which place, okay, like every person who is actually living in that particular city, from his point of perspective, this city is not really great. What do you mean by that? It means by that कि हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि मेरा शहर तो हमेशा लाइक हमें बुरा ही चीज़ दिखती है, लाइक ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, दिस इज़ नॉट राइट, दिस इज़ नॉट गुड, दिस इज़ समथिंग रियली बैड, ओके. Why? Because of that कि we are actually living this city for almost like a years, so we know about all those things, okay. अच्छी बुरी चीज़, mostly we interact with the wrong things, so that's why we could say that कि हाँ, it's kind of like a something really that कि at some certain time हमें अपनी खुद की बीवी पसंद नहीं अच्छी लगती. It's a kind of like a something true fact, okay. It's also belongs to a city too, okay. आप जिस सिटी में रहते हो, at beginning it kind of like a something really good, but when you are living years और आपका पूरा ज़िंदगी उस शहर में निकल जाती है, तब we actually think about that कि इस सिटी में क्या है, even if that city is kind of like a something really New York or something really that the biggest city or Goa or whatever it is, okay. Yeah. Do I feel some certain thing about that with my city? First of all is that I am living in such a city which is not really big, by the way. It's a kind of like a something really tier 2 city, tier 2, tier 3. I don't know. I am not really sure about the category of this thing, but probably I'm not living in metro cities. Metro cities means like that Delhi, Bombay वगैरह. No, I am living in such a city जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, ओके. काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली दैट कि लाइक इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली वेरी लोकल सिटी, ओके. या लाइक इंडिया में बहुत सारी सिटीज़ है, उनमें से एक छोटा सा एक शहर है मेरा, ओके. व्हाट इज एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग गुड थिंग अबाउट माई सिटी? गुड थिंग अबाउट माई सिटी, या probably मुझे लगता है, आई थिंक दैट कि दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक गुड थिंग, बट probably is this thing कि they have kind of like a something really much better. What do you mean by that? Like if I'm gonna say local market, okay, so क्या local market is a kind of like a something really that you wanted to show them? Probably not. Why? Because like local market is bit crowded. बहुत गर्दी होती है वहाँ पे, चलने के लिए भी जगह नहीं होती. प्रॉबली इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट कि यहाँ से एक चिल्लाता है कांदा ले लो, भाजे ले लो, फिर टमाटर ले लो, 20 रुपये टमाटर, 25 रुपये टमाटर, फिर यहाँ से एक चिल्लाता है फिर 10 रुपये टमाटर, 20 रुपये भिंडी. दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियल लोकल मार्केट, ओके. जगह तो है, बहुत सारी जगह है, बट प्रॉबली इज दिस थिंग कि मार्केट कुछ इस तरह से बना गया है ताकि कस्टमर और शॉपकीपर से ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन हो, यानी ज़्यादा क्लोजली रिलेट हो, तो उससे उनका बिजनेस ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, ओके. जगह तो है, लाइक बेसिकली वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग वेरी बिग मार्केट, बट प्रॉबली सारे लोग अपने जो भाजी पाला है ना, वो सारी मंडी एक तरह से बिल्कुल रास्ते पे लगाते हैं, सो इट बिकेम वेरी क्राउडेड. if I am kind of like a, if I have kind of like a something really tourist and I wanted to show them, so I would kind of like show them that कि this is the kind of like a something marketplace, means like that कि ये अच्छी तो नहीं है from every point of perspective, this is not kind of like a something really very good, no, but it has kind of like a something really that कि something really, I don't know what exactly is this thing, how should I supposed to say, it's a kind of like a something new experience, means like that कि um, just have you went to Dharavi? Okay, like Dharavi is a kind of like a biggest slum in entire Asia. Okay, so it's a kind of like a something like that. When you went to Dharavi, probably the situation over there is really not that good. हर एंगल से वो चीज़ बहुत बेकार है, बहुत है, बट इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, और वो एक्सपीरियंस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ पुट यू इनसाइड योर माइंड दैट kind of like a something really that ki stuck that you won't be able to forget. Okay, another example is that कि falling out from the mountain, यानी पहाड़ से नीचे गिरना. ऑब्वियसली ये बुरी बात है, पहाड़ से नीचे गिरने पर डेफिनेटली आपकी मौत हो सकती है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर डूइंग इट दैट क्योंकि उससे उनको क्रेजी मिलता है, लाइक दे गॉट समथिंग रियली न्यू एक्सपीरियंस, एक डर सा फील होता है, लाइक दे आर एक्चुअली लाइक दे जस्ट डोंट लिव फॉल, दे जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइक वेयर पैराशूट ग्लाइडर्स वगैरह वगैरह, देन दे फॉल. ओके, बट दे डू दैट. ओके, हाँ, वो चीज़ करने से हमें बुरा लग सकता है या हमारी जान भी जा सकती है डेफिनेटली, बट दे फील समथिंग रियली न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. पहाड़ से नीचे गिरने वाला एक्सपीरियंस शायद ही कोई एक्सपीरियंस कर पाता है, बट दोज पीपल आर डूइंग इट दैट, which is kind of like a something to make them so unique. So this is exactly what I wanted to say, this is exactly I wanted to show them. If kind of like a something bunch of tourists came to me and they say that कि what is actually the best thing, I would show them a local market, that कि संडे के दिन लोकल मार्केट वो सुपर क्राउडेड, यहाँ पे हर एक बंदा चिल्लाता है ये वो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग वेरी मैसी, इतना लाइक बेसिकली दैट ना कि दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक आई माइट बी आई एम गोना से इज दैट कि बॉम्बे का भी सुपर मार्केट या बेसिकली इंडिया में हर सुपर मार्केट इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. ओके, बट probably I'm gonna say my local market is kind of like a something I'm not gonna say messy, but it's kind of like a something like that ki a new experience. I'm not really sure that ki might be the adjective is not really invented yet, but it says kind of like a something new experience. Yeah, and every time I went with my mother to buy some sort of vegetable, it's a very chaos over there, literally, yes, very chaos. Another thing, community event. Do we have community event? Yes, we have community event like Ganpati Bappa, Durga Devi, then 14 April. 14 April is Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti, yes, and lots of community events were actually happening over here. Probably like I'm living in India, so this kind of like a something really happen in entire India. Okay, which is really unique. Okay, which is really great. Community event was really good. Okay, historical neighborhood. Do we have kind of like a something really a historical neighborhood? Well, yes, I have, yeah, but I won't be able to say that thing because if I say this thing, then probably it kind of like most of people guess that ki where I live. Yeah, because my city is actually more famous for that particular thing. Okay, so I won't be able to say this thing. It's a kind of like a something really privacy violation. But yeah, yes, we have kind of like a something really very historical monument over here, and which is really popular in entire world. Yeah, then culinary experience. What is a culinary? Offer opportunity to authentic local cuisine. Oh, yeah. Okay, so food. What is actually the kind of like something like the best food in your city? Best food, yeah. Well, best food. Well, I'm not kind of like something really a very foodie person. Okay, so probably is this thing that ki in my city we actually get very good puran puri. Yeah, puran puri. No, no, no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry. It's not Puranpuri, by the way. A Goras Pak. Yeah. What is that? The Goras Pak. Well, Goras Pak is a kind of like a something really just a sweet dish. Okay. Uh, which is like really unique, and basically is this thing ki from the entire India you will get like you will get Goras Pak maybe like all around the world, all around the India, by the way. But I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna say is this thing ki, this cuisine is a kind of like a something really very unique. Yeah, like the people from Pune and Bombay, they actually brought some sort of Goras Pak from here to there. Because of that, kids are so sweet and so good. They actually love it, and they, I don't know. It's a kind of like a something really that ki this is kind of like a something really that ki extraordinary or unique, or a kind of like a something really the like symbol of the particular city. What I'm trying to tell you is that thing. So yeah, then meet locals. Locals, yeah. Probably is this thing ki, is this like a local or kind of like a something really good? Well, like I'm gonna say कि local. Well, I'm living in city. Okay. तो यहाँ पे local इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं है. What do you mean by that? Like if I'm gonna say is that कि like right now I'm living in city. Yes, in a such a city जहाँ पे लोग उतने ज़्यादा interact नहीं करते जितने ज़्यादा like you could say this local thing is actually experienced in village. गांव में आपको लाइक गांव में इस लोकल जो लोगों से बात करना, दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली गेटिंग न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. हाँ, इफ़ यू आर इन द सिटी तो जहाँ पे लोकल का एक्सपीरियंस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक इक्विवेलेंट. ओके, क्योंकि आई एम लिविंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली सच अ गुड सिविलाइज. यहाँ पे एक तरह से काफ़ी सिविलाइज लोग हैं, एंड प्रॉबली इज दिस थिंग कि यहाँ पे लाइक अ कल्चरल इवेंट या कम्युनिटी इवेंट के अलावा कोई यहाँ ऐसे बाहर तो दिखता नहीं है. नथिंग रियली एट ऑल. बट विलेज या गांव में आपको हर इंसान एक तरह से घर के बाहर बैठा हुआ लगता है. लाइक बेसिकली एवरी एल्डर गाय is actually kind of like staying outside the home and looking. It's a kind of like the local level of communication happen in village is kind of like a far better in city from my point of perspective. Yeah. So in my city, I'm gonna say what is kind of like a something very good. I would say like local market. Yes, community event, Ganpati Bappa vagara vagara. Then historical. Yes, we have historical. I won't be able to say because the privacy violation. Culinary experience, Goras Park. Then meet locals, not that much really. So these are kind of like a something really that I wanted to show them to the tourists that this is the special that we have. Yeah. Next question.